Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our newest products. On my right hand, is utility sinks. Let's take the overall sizes first. The sink will be about like 18 inches in the length. And the height is about like 44 inches. From the edge of the sink to the bottoms, they are about like 35 inches total. And the units entirely, the depths will be 21.5 inches. Let's take a look close inside of the sink. As we can see, the sink is having 1 4/6 positions, and the diameters between the two holes, they are almost about like 8 inches. And for the depth of the sink, they will be 13 inches. And the length about like 18 inches. And the width is about 18 inches too. The manufacturer offered 1 filters. This will be all information about our products. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.